Welcome to Video Shala. In this video, we will dive deep into the order to cash process, a vital part of how businesses operate. So, let's get started. We have got a detailed agenda for today. Introduction, meaning, O2C cycle, importance, and finally conclusion. Let's begin with a closer look at the introduction. The order to cash process or O2C is like a roadmap for businesses. It covers everything from when a customer decides to buy something to when a company receives payment. It's a crucial part of how companies operate smoothly. Now let's explore the meaning of O2C. Order to cash or O2C is a series of steps that businesses follow when someone wants to buy their product or service. These steps include taking orders, handling payments, delivering the product or service, sending bills, and collecting payments. Each step is like a piece of puzzle that ensures everything runs smoothly. The O2C process is like a journey. Let's break down its 6 key steps. Here are the 6 steps in the order to cash cycle. Let's start with the first step, receiving order. This step begins with a customer decide to buy something. We listen to what they want, how much they want, and when they want it. It's like taking notes to make sure we understand what the customer needs. Second step is manage customer payments. After we know what the customer wants, we figure out how they will pay us. They might use a credit card, transfer money from their bank, write a check, or pay with a cash. We send them an invoice or payment instruction to make it easy. Third one is fulfillment of order. With the payment sorted, we get to work on making sure the customer gets what they order. For physical things, we prepare them for shipment or pickup. For services, we schedule them at a right time. Our fourth step is shipping of order. If it's a physical product, we choose how to send it, create labels, and make sure it gets to the customer safely and on time. It's all about making sure the customer gets what they paid for. Our fifth step is payment collection. We carefully watch the payments. When the customer pays on time, we mark the order as paid and update our records. If they haven't paid, we might send reminders to make sure they settle the bill. Our final step is reporting. We analyze our orders, check if we delivered orders on time, and make sure we received all the payments. This helps us make smart decisions to improve our business. Now let's dive deeper into why the O2C process matters so much to businesses. It's more than just a set of steps. It's the heartbeat of successful operations. First, revenue generation. The O2C process is how businesses turn customers' order into money. It's like the cash register ringing in the store. Without it running smoothly, businesses would struggle to make profit. Customer satisfaction. Happy customers are lifeblood of any successful business. O2C makes sure that customers are filled accurately and quickly. This means customers get what they want when they want it, making them happy and loyal. Cash flow management. Managing money is a big deal for business. The O2C process keeps track of payments and makes sure bill gets paid on time. This financial stability helps business to pay their own bills and invest in the growth. Data analysis and decision making. In the digital age, data is gold. O2C generates a lot of data that businesses can use to make smart decisions. By looking at a sale trends and how well orders are handled, companies can make better choices for their future. Compliance and risk management. Every business has rules to follow. O2C helps companies stick to these rules, reducing the risk of problems with the law and money issues. It also keeps an eye on money transactions, making sure nothing fishy is going on. Finally, conclusion. In conclusion, the order to cash process is like the engine that keeps businesses running smoothly. To succeed in today's competitive world, businesses need to make sure their O2C process works well. It helps them make money, keep customer happy, make smart decisions, and stay on the right side of the rules and risks. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the order to cash process. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share this video. And subscribe for more easy to understand content from Edushala.